a lot of you would say we can cancel or simplify this 3 by this 3, and then 40 divided by 4 gives us 10. But unfortunately, that's a very wrong answer. That's a crucial mistake that you made. But what is the correct answer? You fell for a big trap, and this trap is the order of operations and the way you simplify things. You can't simplify it in this way because these operations are of different types, and again, you didn't follow the correct order of operations. So what is the correct order of operations? It is something called as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and finally S stands for subtraction. And it gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. So for God's sake, never be lost, learn PEMDAS. Do I sound like Saul Goodman? Let me know in the comments. So PEMDAS means you must go for parentheses at first, if there is any parentheses. Then you must go for exponents. Then multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same priority. And addition and subtraction from left to right, they have the same priority. So now with this in mind, let's revisit our original problem. So we have a division and a multiplication. You can't do this part at first because we must go from left to right, because division or multiplication doesn't matter, whichever you see at first from the left. So 40 divided by 4/3. Okay, what is the answer? How are you going to suppose to solve this? So 40 divided by 4/3. Whenever you have a number and you want to multiply, you want to divide it by a fraction, you can easily turn the sign into multiplication and swap the upper part and the lower part of the fraction. In other words, reciprocate the fraction. So n over n. So 40 divided by 4/3 equals 40 times 3/4. I changed the sign into multiplication and then I swapped the upper part and the lower part. Now we can say that, okay, for those of you, now you can just simplify. So 40 divided by, or we can just, if you divide 4 by 4 and then divide 40 by 4, it gives us 10. And 10 times 3 gives us 30. So that's the answer for this part. Or you can just ignore the simplification at this step and you would go like normally. 40 divided times 3 gives us 120. 120 over 4 again gives us 30. So in either way, you would end up with the same answer. The first part is done and it is 30. And then 30 times 3 gives us 90, and that's the only answer. For your homework, what would the answer be if we had the last part inside the brackets and raised to the power of 2 or squared? So please subscribe to the channel to support me and to motivate me for more challenging videos. Like the video and see you on the next video on Prime Logic.